Hey, you know what it is, Ikyan Slim Ray, back with another one. And today we're gonna be asking people their personal experiences based on their relationships. So let's get into it.
Okay, bezocela nje uzintroduce.
Okay, ngicabanga ngihlali planti sizathu ke but abantu abaninzi banazi ngoMito.
Yeah, okay, Mito. What is that one thing you did for you to say I fumbled a good relationship?
What would I say in Sautina?
Take your time.
That's out. Yeah.
Take your time. Sang of family relationship ekre. Ebongini bakho.
Like hopefully the more currently. It's a good one, yeah.
But zango ifamily sha like uqoma okay. Kusheke kancinci nje umluzi lo muntu wakho.
I've been nginamluza ngiyebo. But ke
Wenze ndoni ba umluzi?
Cheat. Zango cheat.
Azangicheat nongochitleyo.
So wamlahla kuba wayecheat.
Yeah, I would say.
So wena zango wenza next ile relationship.
Amantombazana ayithatha accountability, bro.
And saying like I'm very dedicated in everything that I do.
Yeah.
That's why. So there's a relationship now.
Okay, so what makes you give like a man a chance to buy a date besides physical appearance and personality?
I would say love. I
Love.
love to love.
So you are giving love a chance, not a chance. You giving...
I would give a chance, yeah. I would say.
Okay. So what are your toxic traits that you think you should change?
I would say because I like stubborn.
Yeah. So what is the difference between a woman cheating and a man cheating?
Umahluko usay ndiqelele. I think mina xa kushita umjida it's cool. But xa chance intombazana basop.
Ukutheni ibeka njani?
Kubikagbi.
Kubad.
Yeah.
Okay. So what can a guy do akwenza ba usettlisha like grand relationship?
It's to meet me halfway.
Yeah. Like meet
Whatever
halfway.
I give them, you also give them. Yeah. It's to meet me halfway. Everything that we do.
Yeah. Okay. So have you ever felt used like in a relationship, and what did that person do to make you feel like that? No, what's wrong?
You are going to flashback and
Kama kudala ekuyuza lo muntu naye.
Yo.
Wakuyuza.
I memory strong yazi umfana. Yo.
Asichazela. I think they're last gama like kakada asichazela.
Yona nimthana lamfana. I don't want to lie. Like you ngine senza good relationship with like nani mthana. Cha ke phiwa njesa ngemofi. I hate that. I want to you. I want a relationship. Ngase ndile na ngo this
How did that make you feel, man?
It felt like ngase ngathi vuleka umhlaba ngendlela phakathi. Kuphele ngoba ukuthi xwaka.
Hayi Nkosi.
Thank you.
My name is Lily Tusuju. I'm from Colesberg. Davaga?
Yeah, baga.
I'm from Colesberg. Ndina 21 years old ndimdala. Anamdala nasemhlabeni.
Get up. So what is that one thing you did for you to say you fumbled a good relationship?
Ndachita chomi indoda ndithanda. Yabo ndathanda enye mna. Wandithini ke ngokulo ndimthandayo. Yo chomi yaphela kanjalo relationship yami.
So karma is a bitch. Whatever you do komnye umuntu izakwenzeka kuwe.
Karma exists. yazi i-address yakho wena.
ububhidwe yinto yakho ngoba udisturbe yam.
So what makes you
It's
give?
my time to shine.
What makes you give a man a chance ba a date, yabo? Besides like a physical appearance and personality.
Imali chomi.
Mali. Only money.
Awunemali nobunjani ungeza. Noba undithanda ungeza as long as andinika imali. Nangxaki.
So what are your toxic traits that you think you should change?
Ndiye kughost abantu yabo. Like mna ndinalando into endingafuni uyiphendula ndiyiphendule yabo. So I think in most relationships zami ipheliswa yilona yilaa nto yoba ndivele ndithule ndikuvule. Ewe. Then ke ngoku iphelela ntoba asiphinde sithethe, understand?
What is the difference between women cheating and men cheating?
Amadoda siyawabhaqa ke wona ke yabo bachitayo basoloko noba sempaqeni siyawabhaqa but umzekelo lento bendiyithetha la question yokuqala ne lo wayendithanda kayazi uba ndamchitela till today.
Usacinga uba ubuloyal?
Ewe qha ucinga yena kwaphela i-relationship then ndajula nalo wakanti no.
True.
Yabo asilow amadoda
A generation then abafazi
stara
ndona umahluko like uchito umfazi like ndona umahluko ngidithi uyatsho uba amadoda awabhaqa like kuni ndona umahluko ndona kwenza uchite like
na
yeah
zininzi sininzi ndithi andizobiza iyi-1 yabo ebangela ndishite yindoda enganiki ixesha endilifunayo yabo nendoda engandiphi imali yo ayandicaphukisa seyofuna endiphi imali kaloku.
So what can a guy do to make you ba usettlish your relationship?
I don't think ukhona ngokona ndenza settlish into yakudala.
Have you ever felt used in a relationship, and what did that person do to make you feel like alohlawo?
Yabona ewe yabona ngelaa xesha ndajola nomntu osandophuma kwi-relationship yabo and ndafind out into yoba no usathetha ne-ex yakhe loo mntu yabo and ndanalaa nto into yoba ufuna uhila ngam.
Then wenza ntoni?
Mna
Yeah.
ndamtshitela kaloku
Wamtshitela?
ndaya ko
So when the moral of the story nje yakho nje kuchita.
ndiyatshita.
Shit.
Uyabhanga,
Wenze revenge ngeku.
Ngoske
Tju. Hayi ndiyabulela. Nkosi. Okay, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, standing before you is Umkarabile. I go by the name Jamila Bint.
Okay, so today we're going to be asking questions now. So yeah, just bear with me. And then what is that one thing you did for you to say I fumbled a good relationship?
Oh. Okay, I've never fumbled a good relationship. Almost all my relationships were out of toxicity. So I've never. I will never.
Are you sure, or you're being delusional?
No, I am. Because of how I am, my personality. So I won't say I once fumbled a good relationship.
Yeah.
Maybe the nigga might. So, but hey, not
Hey,
me.
hands and never taking accountability, but we are not there. What makes you give a man a chance to date you besides the physical appearance and personality? Besides the physical and the personality, what makes you date a man?
How? I'll say it's what? Because for me, it's the personality and the appearance.
It can't
but
be
okay.
the personality. It can't be.
Can be the drip and something.
Yeah, but
The aesthetic of the relationship.
yeah, the drip.
Maybe
The drip.
Maybe the nigga is famous.
The drip.
Maybe the nigga is money.
Yeah.
Nah, it's not about money.
It's not about money.
It is about money, ne? But not 100% about money. So Yeah, but the drip, mostly the drip. And yeah.
Like chemistry or some sort.
Chemistry. When there's chemistry, of course, I'ma date you because there's gonna be that attraction.
You see? Because you can have looks. You can have looks.
But that's the thing.
You see?
Physical appearance.
But you can have looks, and then when I talk to you, your conversations are shit.
Yeah.
But now it's about the chemistry.
You see?
It is.
Exactly
It
my
is.
point. That's what I'm saying. I'm piggies. And then what are your toxic traits that you think you should change?
Me being mad while you are mad, and I'm the person who was wrong, and I won't apologize. But instead, I'll be more mad because why are you mad? Why are you mad? Yeah, I did something wrong, but why are you mad?
That's another
That's
thing.
the thing.
That's another.
I'm so toxic.
You see, we're going back to that first question of fumbling a nigga. That's how you fumble a nigga. Do you get me?
But I'm so toxic.
Exactly. But you see, you're not taking accountability, my sister. So, what is the difference between a woman cheating and a man cheating?
I love that question. Okay. The difference is, when a man cheats, the nigga will cheat because of, let me say, peer pressure.
Okay.
And he will hide it from other people seeing it, especially girls.
Yeah.
But not hide it from niggas because
Yeah.
it's between you niggas, right?
He's trying to act loyal.
In front of girls,
the
he
girl.
trying to act loyal, actually.
In front
sorry.
of the niggas.
Yeah, and then when a woman cheats, it hurts. It hurts
So-
because when we cheat, I might also include myself because
Yeah.
when we cheat, we will cheat so that you can notice it, you can see, and you can get hurt. And when you are just in cheating just to have fun,
Yeah.
you're going with the fun and peer pressure, as like I said before. So that's the difference.
So you're saying women cheat out of feelings.
Yeah.
So
I might cheat, maybe let's say my nigga cheated on me, and okay, because I'm a very revengeful person.
okay.
I'm a very revengeful person. So I will cheat, but I might not like you, but I'll just cheat
Yeah.
so that
So
I can
it's
induce
a
the
revenge
pain.
pussy.
No! That's one thing. That's one thing.
Oh, aye.
That's one thing about me. I'll never cheat,
Yeah.
and then give you the sex. Nah, my brother, forget about it. But Nje, I want the attraction. You see? Yeah.
So what can a guy do to make you like settle like in a relationship? Like,
Loyalty. Be loyal to me.
yeah.
Show me that you appreciate me, and the understanding. If you understand me, that's for sure one way that I must stay in a relationship
Yeah.
and settle. As I said, loyalty. Loyalty.
So loyalty is number one.
Yeah, it is number one.
So what if the nigga is loyal, but you don't do enough at your side to to apply pressure for him to be loyal? Then that's another situation. So what do you do? Like, do you have expectations when it comes to that?
Yeah. Actually, what I can say is, if a nigga is fucked up,
Yeah.
in a relationship,
Yeah.
you as a girl, you are the person that can change the nigga. So it's also from my own doings and how I react, my actions,
Yeah.
to make you be loyal to me.
Exactly.
You know? Yeah.
Exactly. That's the key point I wanted you
Yeah.
to hit on. And then, have you ever felt used like in a relationship, and what did that person do to make you feel that way?
Yeah, I have. Cheating.
Cheating.
Yo, the nigga cheated. The nigga cheated, and I felt like no, because he's using me, because he knows how much I love him, how much I appreciate him, and he knows that whatever he will do, I'll never leave. I'll understand, and still I'll stay. So he was actually using me. Whenever he feels like, okay, things are not going his way, he would actually come back like, that's shit.
And you still...
That's shit. I still stayed.
You still
I
let him
still
use you.
stayed. Because I loved him. Up until I was like, nah, fuck this shit.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Hey yo, thank you everybody for tuning in. It was an interesting video, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.